Hey, hey. Ain't nobody but that. I wanna wait for
Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dabo, and today I'm here to bring you guys an easy slaying girls night out makeup tutorial. As some of you may or may not know, October is actually my birth month, so I've been going out a lot with my girlfriends just to celebrate and also get ready for my birthday. So I figured why not bring an easy tutorial to you guys, just demonstrating a nice easy look for a girls night out. So if you're interested in this eye look and just the whole shebang, keep on watching. To start off, the first thing we're going to do is our eyebrows, and today I'm going to be using Anastasia brow pomade in the shade Ebony. And I'm just using an angled brush to fill in my brows. Next, I'm going to go in with a ColourPop concealer in the shade Deep Dark right here. And I'm going to just carve out my eyebrows using a concealer brush. So if you guys want a brow routine, let me know, because honestly, it took a while to do my brows, and just explaining that in this one video is going to be just too much work. So usually when I'm finishing up my brows, I use a brow gel for my brow gel finish. So I'm just going to use mascara wand today and spray some Got2b spray on it. And just apply it onto my eyebrows to allow everything to stay in place. This brush with wand barely have any product on it. It's a black mascara. I don't want black brows, so make sure I don't have any product on it. And that's that. Now we're going to move on to my face. Today we're going to be doing things a little different. Usually when I do my eyebrows, the next thing I move on to is my eyeshadow. But today I really want to focus in on my skin, so I'm going to apply foundation next. And the foundation that I'm going to be using today is ColourPop's No Filter Foundation in the shade Deep Dark. I reviewed this on my channel. You guys know how I felt about it, but I found a little secret that allows this foundation to work really well on my skin for a long period of time. And that's using L'Oreal's Infallible Matte Lock Primer. I'm going to allow this primer to sit on my face for about 2 minutes, then I'll be right back and apply my foundation. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation using the ColourPop foundation brush. Don't forget to go down your neck, because girl, I noticed in my back to school video, everything came out really nice, but I did not go all the way down, and for that reason, things looked a little crazy. So make sure you got your ears covered, go down to your neck, to your chest, and allow your foundation to stay as it does. So now that we've applied the foundation with a foundation brush, I'm going to use the back of my beauty sponge and just dab everything in. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and lightly set my foundation using the Black Radiance powder in the shade Ebony right here. It looks a little light, but it's not that light, I promise. But this is just gonna set my liquid foundation in place. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face, and I'm gonna be using that same ColourPop concealer. seamless blend. If you're following this routine and you've lost your eyebrows, don't worry. We can always go back in with the brows for the brows. Now we're gonna use this Milani setting powder that I mentioned in my back to school drugstore video. I really like this powder because it's so inexpensive, yet it does the job that I need it to do. So I'm gonna use that to set my concealed areas. This nose concealer that's there is gonna remain there. And I'm gonna go back in with that concealer brush and just dab. I'm setting my eye area with the same powder that I used to set my face. So the face is done, but it's not done. We're gonna come back to the face. Now I'm gonna go in and focus in on my eyes. Alright guys, so today we're mainly going to be using this new Urban Decay Elements palette. It is so pretty. Here it is. And this is the inside. Here I have some swatches that I took of the palette. The colors are so pigmented and it's just so beautiful. I love it. And we're also going to be using the Anastasia Prism palette today. We're not going to be using too many colors from this palette, but I also really like this palette, so we're going to be using that today. Alright, so first thing first, we're going to start off with the Prism palette actually. And we're going to start off with the color Saturn right here. This is like a burnt orange color. And I'm going to use that as my transition color. Ciao. See, I can see that color is pigmented. And the brush that I'm using is from Coastal Scent. This was part of their 22-piece brush set, so it doesn't really have a brush name, but I can tell you guys it's a blending brush. Next, I'm going to use this color right here called Maroon Berry. It's from Coastal Scent. None of these two palettes had a berry color, so I'm going to be using this one. This is going in as my crease color. I actually like to say my second transition color. And I'm going to drag it out. Next, I'm going to go in with this next color, and the Prism palette is a black color. It's called Obsidian. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna put this in my crease area, right beneath the berry color. Pretty intense, so try not to pick up too much. And do not use a fluffy brush for this part because it's gonna get all over. So we just put it cat eye, and I'm dragging that in. Now I'm going back in with maroon and just blend out that black with the maroon color. Now I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and just cut my crease. And I'm just using a concealer brush with a good amount of product on it to cut my crease. So now that I've cut my crease, I'm gonna allow it to dry down for a few minutes, and I'm gonna work on this side and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I've done both eyes and they're pretty tacky now, they're not too wet. So I'm gonna go in with this beautiful blue color right here called Sapphire Dream from the Urban Decay palette, and I'm gonna be using concealer brush right here. color really applies well with the finger. Look at it right here. The color is really not that nice with the brush, but I think wetting the brush would allow it to look better. So I'm gonna use a setting spray and spray it on the brush and then apply it onto my lid for those precise areas in the cut crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out the end with the black color that I had already had. Next, I'm going to use this Victoria Beckham and Estee Lauder eyeliner just to line my line. So to add a little glam to this look, I'm gonna go ahead and actually use do a double liner. And I'm gonna apply in some glitter onto my eyeliner. And today I'm going to be using the NYX Brilliant Glitter in the shade 06 right here. This is like a holographic. And if you don't know, I'm using the NYX glitter primer right here. And just an angled liner brush. That is it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye and apply some lashes. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. So my camera actually ended up dying, so I went ahead and filmed the rest off camera. But just in case you guys were wondering, I went ahead and applied the same blue color that I applied on my lids previously to the bottom area of my lower lash, and then I went ahead and highlighted and contoured. Basically for that I used the same items that I used in my drugstore tutorial. I'm gonna link that down below. So that's basically what I did, and to top everything off, I went ahead and applied this Bend and Snap liquid lipstick by Too Faced right here onto my lips. And yeah, so that was it. I'm ready to go out with my girls and do my thing, you know. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what are some future makeup looks that you'll like me to do. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell, and if you care, make sure you share. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.